Hello students, now let us see example number 2 of your chapter number 14. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas of various states and the union territories of India. So what is given here? We have given the percentage of the number of female teachers in different states and union territories. So we have to find the mean percentage of female teachers by all the three methods. So three methods, which one? Direct method, assumed mean and step deviation. We have to find the mean of the percentage of female teachers by all the three methods. So we will solve one by one. So first we will find the mean by which method? By direct method. Clear? So you can see here is a table given in which percentage of female teachers given in the class interval. So you can see here 15 to 25. There are how many states? 6 states. ठीक है, मतलब 6 states में 15 से लेकर 25% तक फीमेल टीचर्स वहाँ पर टीच करती है. ठीक है. In 11 states there are how many female teachers? 25 to 35%. In 7 states there are 35 to 45% female teacher and so on. Given in this table. So first we will write here this class interval 15 to 25. So we make first column of the class interval. Clear? Second interval is 25 to 35. Third interval is 35 to 45. Next 45 to 55. Next 55 to 65. Then 65 to 75. And the last one is 75 to 85. So now the frequency means the number of states and union territories is taken as frequency. So the first frequency is 6. So I will write in this column 6. Next 11, 7, 4, again 4, 2 and 1. So to find the mean by direct method, we require to find the product of class mark, that is xi, with the corresponding fi, which is frequency. So you can see here, first we will find the class mark. So how we will find class mark? So class mark is equal to sum of lower class limit and upper class limit divided by 2. It means you have to find the average of lower class limit and the upper class limit. So you can see here, class mark is lower class limit plus upper class limit divided by 2. So you can see here in the first class interval the lower limit is 15 and the upper limit is 25. So first we will add them, 15 plus 25. How much? It is 40, and 40 divided by 2, it is 20. So right here 20. And one thing more, first we will check that the class interval is continuous or not. ठीक है, सबसे पहले आप चेक करोगे कि जो क्लास इंटरवल्स की वैल्यू है, लिमिट्स है, वो कंटिन्यूस है या नहीं है. ठीक है. सो कंटिन्यूस कब होगी वो? सपोज दैट जो फर्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल है उसकी वैल्यू जो है अपर लिमिट दैट इज 25. In the next interval, the interval starting from 25, it means it is continuous. ठीक है, मतलब जो ऊपर वाली की वैल्यू में जो अपर लिमिट होगी वो खत्म हो रही है 25 पे, और नेक्स्ट इंटरवल जहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है अगर तो वो वैल्यू सेम ही है, दैट इज कंटिन्यूस. क्लियर? इफ द क्लास इंटरवल इज नॉट कंटिन्यूस, सपोज करो जैसे 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, दिस इज नॉट कंटिन्यूस. ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो जो फर्स्ट इंटरवल है वो 19 पे खत्म हो रहा है, बट नेक्स्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 20, दिस इज नॉट कंटिन्यूस. सो इसको आप पहले कन्वर्ट करोगे इन कंटिन्यूस. सो कंटिन्यूस में करने के लिए क्या करोगे? यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 0.5 फ्रॉम द लोअर लिमिट एंड यू विल ऐड 0.5 इन द अपर लिमिट. ऑलराइट, so you have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit. So your lower limit in this first interval is 10. So you have to subtract the 0.5. So 10 minus 0.5 is 9.5. And you will add here 0.5 in the upper limit. So here upper limit in this first interval is 19. You will add here 0.5. So 19 plus 0.5 is 19.5. In the next interval, you will subtract here 0.5 from the lower limit. So 20 minus 0.5 is 19.5 and add here 0.5 in the upper limit. 29 plus 0.5 is 29.5. Now you can see here. So this is in continuous form. ठीक है, क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट इंटरवल की जहाँ पर वैल्यू अपर लिमिट खत्म हो रही है वो नेक्स्ट में वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है. Alright, so this is continuous. So but in this question, the interval is already given in continuous form. Clear? So check करो जहाँ पर वो खत्म हो रही है नेक्स्ट वहीं से स्टार्ट हो रही है. 25, 25, 35, 35, 45, 45 and so on. Clear? So the next class mark for this interval is how much? 25 plus 35. How much? 60 and 60 by 2 is 30. Next is 35 plus 45. 80. 80 by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55. How much? It is 100 and 100 and a half, 50. Next 55 plus 65. 120. 120 by 2, 60. 65 plus 75. It is 140 and 140 by 2 is 70. And the last interval is 75 to 85. So 75 plus 85 is 160 divided by 2 is 8080. Alright. So now we will find their class mark and the frequency is already given in this table. So you now find the product of this xi and fi in this column. So first xi is here 20 and the corresponding frequency is 6. So 20 into 6, 120. Next 30 11s are 330. 40 into 7, 280. 50 into 4, 200. 60 into 4, 240, 240. 70 into 2 is 140. And 81s are 80. Now what is direct method? So direct method is summation fi xi upon summation fi. So you will find the summation of this column and this column. So frequency 6 plus 11 20 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 4 28. 28 plus 4 32. 32 plus 2 34 and 34 plus 1 is 35. You can see here there are total how many states? 35 states. Clear? Now find the summation of fi xi. So it is 0, 2 plus 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, plus 4, 21, plus 8, 29. 3, 6, 2, 8, 10, 12, 13. It is 1390. So now we put the values. Summation fi xi is 1390 and summation fi is 35. Now we will divide this 1390 over 35. So first it is cancelled on the table of 7. 5 7s are 35. 5 2s are 10. 5 39. 5 7 35. 5 8s are 40. Now 278 by 7. It is 7 3s are 21. 27 minus 21 is 6. 68. Now it is 7 9s are 63. 68 minus 63 is how much? 550. 7 7s are 49. Alright, 10 1. So it is approximately 39.71. Clear? So 39.71 percentage is the mean percentage of this female teachers. Clear, student? So this is the mean which we solve by which method? Direct method. Now second is we solve the mean by assumed mean. Now in assumed mean method, we have to find first DI. So what is DI? DI is equal to xi minus a. Di is what? Xi minus a. So xi is here the value of class mark and a is what? A is the assumed mean. ठीक है, मतलब a क्या है? जो assumed mean है वो हम suppose करेंगे, ठीक है, और जो a की वैल्यू होगी वो suppose करेंगे हम from the class mark. Clear? So first you will find your di. So what is a? So first you will check here. There are how many observations in the class mark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक है. So 7 क्या है? Odd number है. Clear? So odd number की जो middle term है, that is our a. That is our assumed mean. So which is the middle term? Middle term is fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 50 is taken as a. Alright. This 50 is taken as a. Now subtract a from the corresponding which one? Class mark. So 20 minus 50. Xi is in this first row is 20 here and value of a is 50. So 20 minus 50 is minus 30. So right there minus 30. Now 30 minus 50 minus 20. 40 minus 50 is minus 10. 50 minus 50 0. 60 minus 50 10. 70 minus 50 20. 80 minus 50 is 30. So this is the value of di. Now in assumed mean method, the formula for assumed mean is a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. So summation fi di. Now we require to find the product of di with corresponding fi. So right there fi di. So you can see here frequency is here 6 and the corresponding di is here minus 30. So 6 into minus 30. It is minus 180. Next 11 into minus 20. It is minus 220. 7 into minus 10. Minus 70. 4 into 0. 0. 4 tens are 40. 2 into 20 40. 1 into 30 30. Now we will find the summation of fi di. So when you find the summation of fi di, so first we will add these positive numbers and then this negative numbers. ठीक है, जब आप समेशन फाइंड करोगे एफ आई डी आई का तो पहले आप पॉजिटिव नंबर्स को अलग से ऐड करोगे और नेगेटिव को अलग से ऐड करोगे. बिकॉज जब नेगेटिव को आप करोगे सॉल्व तो माइनस माइनस क्या आएगा प्लस, अगेन माइनस माइनस प्लस. ठीक है, सो जब उनको प्लस कर लोगे तो उनके सामने आगे उनके कौन साइन आएगा? माइनस का साइन आएगा. क्लियर? सो यू कैन सी हियर 40 plus 40 is 80. 80 plus 30 is how much? It is 110. It is 110. And when you add these three terms, 180 plus 220, it is 400 minus 400. Alright, because minus 180 minus 220 minus minus plus. So 220 plus 180 is 400 and sign is negative. Minus 400 minus 70, it is minus 470. It is minus 470. Now solve this minus 470 plus 110. So you can see here minus plus minus. Now subtract this 110 from 470. It is 0. 7 minus 1 6. 4 minus 1 3. And which sign comes here? Minus, because 470 is greater than this 110. So the summation of fi di is minus 360. So now put here the values a. So a is what assumed mean, that is 50. So 50 plus summation fi di, it is minus 360. Minus 360 divided by summation fi, it is again same, that is 35. Now this is 50 plus minus minus. We will open the brackets here. So sign will change, plus minus minus. Now 360 and 35. It is cancel the table of 5. 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. 5 twos are 10. So it is 72 by 7. So now you will take LCM first. 1 and 7. LCM is 7. Now 7 into 50. It is 350 minus 72. So 350 minus 72. How much? 8. 40 minus 7, 7, 2. 278 by 7. So it is approximate how much? 7 3s are 21. 7 9 are 63. Then 7 7 are 49, 77. So it is again, you can see here 39.71. ठीक है, इसकी वैल्यू फिर से सेम आ रही है 39.71. सो जो हमने सॉल्व किया था बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड उसकी वैल्यू भी 39.71 ही थी अप्रोक्सीमेटली. ठीक है, सो ये हमने सॉल्व किया था बाय विच मेथड? बाय अज्यूम्ड मीन. सो इसका आंसर भी अप्रोक्सीमेट सेम आ रहा है 39.71. नाउ वी सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन बाय द थर्ड एंड लास्ट मेथड व्हिच इज स्टेप डिवीजन मेथड. So in step division method, we will need to find here value of ui. So what is ui? ui is what? Di divided by h. ui is what? Di by h, and di is what? Di is xi minus a. Xi minus a. So you can write the ui as xi minus a by h, or you can write di by h. It is the same thing. So we already find the value of di here. So what we have to do here? We have to divide the value of di by h, and h is here class size. So class size is the difference of upper limit and lower limit. So you can see here upper limit is here 25, lower limit is 15. So difference is here 10. Again 35 minus 25 is 10. 45 minus 35 10. 55 minus 45 10. So in all this interval the class size should be same, that is 10. So we will divide the value of di by 10. So minus 30 ui is di by h. So we divide the value of di with 10. Because h is our class size, and h value of h is here how much? 10. So minus 30 by 10, it is minus 3. Minus 20 by 10, minus 2. Minus 10 by 10, minus 1. 0 by 10, 0. 10 by 10, 1. 20 by 10, 2. 30 by 10, 3. Now what is the formula of mean by step division method? It is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi into h. So in this method we need to find the product of fi and ui. So make another column in which we will find the product of fi and ui. So fi is here 6 and ui is minus 3. So 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Next 11 into minus 2 minus 22. 7 into minus 7 minus 7. 4 into 0 0. 4 1s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and 1 3s are 3. Now find the summation of fi and ui. So again you will first add these positive numbers and then negative numbers. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So it is 11. Next minus 18 minus 22. It is minus 40. And minus 40 minus 7 is how much? Minus 47. Then minus 47 and plus 11. It is how much? It is minus 36. Minus 36. So the summation of fi and ui is minus 36. Now put in the values. So again the first is here a. A is what? 50 plus summation fi ui. It is minus 36. Divided by summation fi, it is 35, and h is our class size, that is how much? It is 10. So 15 plus minus minus 36 into 10, it is 360. 360 by 35. So again cancel this. 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 35. 5 2 is 10. So 50 minus 72 by 7. Again taking LCM. LCM is 7. 50 into 7 is 350. 350 minus 72. So 350 minus 72 is 278 by 7. and we know that approximate value of 270 by 7 is 39.71. So you can see here again the mean value of the female teacher is again same, percentage of female teacher is 39.71. ठीक है, so हमने तीनों मेथड से सॉल्व किया है, all the three methods, ठीक है, और तीनों में से जो वैल्यू आई है मीन की that is same. Clear students? So this is your example number 2. And now solve the questions of exercise 14.1. Thank you.